My name is Kyle Batterton. I am an operations manager with Loeffler Farms in Stamford, Illinois. I am operating a 304 Caterpillar Mini Excavator. The next gen cab, it is a 2025 model. We got it in 2025, replaced a backhoe with it. It is much more versatile on our operation than a backhoe was. It comes in handy on multiple different reasons. We do a lot of tile work with it, demolition work with it, anything and everything that it can be really used for. Currently I am fixing a tile hole on one of our farms. It is a very shallow tile, digging it up here, and we are going to replace it. My experience with this machine is very good. It's very useful, very user-friendly, much more versatile than our backhoe was. Visibility is much better. Overall operations of this thing is phenomenal. Best feature of this machine for me is the 360 swing. You can place your dirt wherever you need to. You can swing all the way around, work from all angles with it. Very smooth, easy running machine, very easy to operate. This Cat 304 machine, we have not had any issues. It has been a very good machine to us. No issues with it, just minimal services, greasing, oil changes, no breakdowns with it. It has not left us stranded or anything like that. It's very reliable, starts and runs great every time we need it. The service experience with Loeffler is next to none for us. We call, they either show up or get us in a timely manner, get the machine fixed. Very great people to work with. So with this machine, it's very minimal, like for our field, very minimal compaction. If it's in wet conditions, we can get to where we need to be with it with the tracks. Very small, we can haul it around easily on our trailer with a pickup truck. You can pretty much get anywhere you need to be. We like it because it's small and doesn't weigh a whole lot. So this has the next gen, what they consider the next gen cab on it. It has the newer style of monitor and everything in it. It's very user friendly. You can change a lot of features on it, from control wise to as much power as you want the machine to put out. Grading, you can do final grading with this machine very easily just by setting it up the way you want to. Everything is customizable in it, so that's what makes it nice for the user. Not every user is the same, and not everybody likes to run it the same, so it's very user friendly. Pressurized cab is very nice, keeps everything nice and clean in here. You don't need to work with the windows open, doors open if you don't want to. Some people prefer that, but if you keep everything closed up, it keeps everything nice in here and is very comfortable to run. Heat, the HVAC is very good in it. You got very good heat, very good air condition. The service side with Loeffler has been next to none with us. If you need something done, Loeffler is very timely in getting us in and getting us fixed back up and on to the next job.